Not her roots. Good morning, everyone. What's up? Today is October 18th. We have been up early from about after 6 doing some work in the garden. And now we're just showing this aspect of it. So, the potatoes. So, the potatoes that we have planted out from true seeds, true seed potatoes, they're growing, but they're growing too slow. Pretty slow. This is too slow for our liking. Maybe because of the temperature and the climate that we're in, um, they're not growing as fast as they should be growing. But guess what? Actually, these were in the fridge and they started to grow some eyes. So guess what? We're going to plant these out now. We're so excited about this. Hopefully, we can get a successful harvest from them. So pray for us. Wish us good luck with these. And yeah, so we're pretty happy about this. So these are some strong eyes. Look at these. Look closely at them. So we're gonna plant them out now. Even from the true seed potato, they take so long to germinate. Even this one has not germinated yet, and they're just growing slowly. These two are just growing slowly. But we have these, so we're gonna try this out now. This is about our third time growing out the potatoes from seed potatoes. So hopefully we can get a little bit of harvest from these ones. All right, so I'm going to prepare the soil and do plant them up. All right, so how do we plant Irish potato? So you don't plant it downwards like this with the eyes turning down, but upwards. So the eye should be facing upwards. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just make a trench in this one. So I'm going to put this single potato in this container, and then I'm going to bury it. And as this plant grows, I will add more soil to it. These will be placed in the greenhouse to protect them at all cost. So I'm going to put the biggest potato in this pot. And then these two will be going into this one. And I did add some organic fertilizer to the soil. I add some worm casting and some Trifactor Plus. Those are organic fertilizer. So again, eyes facing upwards, as you can see. Potato in, eyes facing upwards. We're just going to cover with the soil, and as the plant grows, add more soil until we reach all the way up here. So as the plant grows, or as they grow, we're just going to add more soil. So that's basically it. I'm going to lightly water them in, just lightly, because I don't want them to rot. Alright guys, so do take care and do remember to start that garden one container at a time. So I think that's enough water for that one. That's enough for that one. And into the greenhouse they're gonna go for protection. Alright, so we'll see you pretty soon. Take care, be blessed, and have a productive day. Bye.